Hi friends, so today for off the board, I'm going to do a Valentine layout. So off the board, the whole premise is that we take a pin from Pinterest that is on our board and we actually get it off the board and actually use it, which, you know, is kind of a big deal. There we go. I want to make sure that was bright enough. So this is the pin I'm going to take from Pinterest. It's a page map sketch from no idea when, because somebody else used it. Oh, a Cherry on Top used it as part of something they did and they put it up on Pinterest. So who knows? But I like it. I like that it looks like we have three kind of columns, torn bits, like, you know, bits going somewhere else, a circular element. I'll use a doily. It has three photos. I'm using two. You know, sketches really are just like whatever you're about. So let me show you what I have to use. This is part of a kit from, my puppy is now chewing something, stop it. A kit from a ScrapRoom kit from 2021. Don't know if it was January, I believe. So very Valentine-y, had to wait for Valentine's photos. So this is by Photo Play Love Letters. So everything in here, I think, will be from there. I don't know. So whole sticker sheet. So cute. I know I'm going to use this word love in my title and then try to get as much of these goodies in as possible. Anytime I have something super themey, I really try hard to make sure, like the word Valentine is on here, I want to be able to use it. It's this thing like Happy Love Day. I would want that on there because it's harder to use other times of the year. Now, this freakishly cute set of little birdies, I can use that on something else. This mailbox with all these Valentines coming out, a little bit more Valentine-Z, if you get what I'm saying. So I will be concentrating on using the uber Valentine-y things for Valentine's. I love this little typewriter that reads, I love you. Okay. Papers, and I don't know what I'm using yet. Once again, Photo Play Love Letters. I have this script, and I always love script best, and this is on the back. This one's called Falling in Love, which is all these little falling hearts. Ooh, a fabulous stripe. Oh, I really like that and this together. Interesting. This one's called Loves Me Not. Florals, as well as just this leafy print. Really bold black with hearts on it. This is Lovebirds. Oh, with all those little woods. They're so cute. Okay, I will calm down. This one's called Sending Love with all kinds of mailboxes. And then just a really basic black, kind of almost a gingham. And then there's two sheets of solid black textured cardstock. Awesome. What else came in here? I've got a doily, which I told you. Let me make sure you can still see that. I'm going to use for that circly bit is my doily. And it's kind of a cute little guy, maybe 3 inches across. Then I have some die cuts in here. Let's see. I've got, please stop chewing that. Please. My puppy is chewing my old school Cuttlebug cutter. Stop chewing. Okay. I have 3, well, wait, it's 2 tags. Those are both tags. That's just a circle bit. Okay. I've got this really nice scallopy bit that's super cute for Valentine's. This little wood that reads Be Mine. A love potion. Cute little mailbox with a fishtail piece. You have My Heart Forever. That's cute. And then I have this set of little enamel hearts in black, 2 tones of gray, and then white. So I have that. Oh, let me show you my photos. So I sent this photo to my husband on Valentine's through a Snapchat filter. I was, oh, look at that, little something on it. I was looking rough, people. That Snapchat filter, fix that right up. And then he sent back this one to me. How cute. We're such dorks. Okay, so I have that going. Stop chewing. My puppy is having a chewing festival because he feels ignored because I'm actually not holding him for a second. Anywho, I need to pick a background. Stop yelling at me. I am scrapbooking. This is very serious stuff. Okay, I need a background. What do I want for my background? I kind of like the idea of this. I know I want, or do I do 3 bright ones on top of this black? Well, it is definitely Valentine's. So let's use this for my back. For my background, because you know how I said I really like to use those Uber Valentine things or theme things when it is for that. So I just got to cut off this strip, the other side. Yeah, it's not a fancy branding strip at all. Awesome. Now, I like the woods and I like these hearts. So I can probably use, now I need brighter things for this. Okay, I can use woods. I like, what else can I use? I want to use really Valentine's-y things. So I can use this mailbox, not that, this and this, and probably bringing in this to break it up. So those will be my 3 strips, and I'm going to like that. And then the other stuff I can fill in. So let me get these pieces down. I need to map my photos. Now, I printed them without a border because I wanted them as big as possible on one print. So let me grab just a scrap or 2. Okay, I have some white cardstock in here from something I've done previously. And then I have black cardstock right here. Unless I want to mat my stuff in black. Let me see if I have enough here. Ooh, I do have enough to mat with my scraps. So I'm going to take that out. The only time I use scraps is if they're right next to my desk. It's a thing. Okay, so I'm going to map my photos and I'm going to get these pieces cut out, these 3 main ones, and I'm going to do jagged edges on the bottom of all 3. I know that. Okay, let me do that. I'm going to attach them down, double map my photo, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I have these 3 pieces down. I ended up doing them like 3.5 by maybe 7.5-ish. Popped the doily down and I decided to pop it on this side. Reason being is I wanted to be able to see more of this birdie paper because it's my favorite. And I'm going to have my title go that way. And I think it's going to be Love This Guy because that's easy enough. So the next thing I have to do, or the first thing, I think I'm going to get these letters out that read love, which, you know I could use these at a different time, but it's going to work for my title. I just need to go get some black thickers really quick for this guy. So let's see, I think I could just do Love Forever. No, I'm going to do Love Forever. And then Happy Valentine's Day, I think I will do down here. See how there's another cluster here? Let's get this as Valentine-y as possible while we're doing Valentine's. So I'm going to get those on there. I'm going to probably pop this Forever up on a little foam because that would be cute. And I have a little Frankenstein piece of foam right here. I can do that. So I'll get them on there. Got my circular element. I have to come up with a little decoration for down here. Will not be difficult at all. And yeah, some more decorative bits. Now what I want to do is pick out some goodies and I'll come back and show you where I am with it. Hold on. So everything that you see is currently attached except for this little cluster here. I liked these 2 little die cut pieces, so I just put them slightly wonky and I added in some handy dandy twine. It's the only thing I've brought in so far. Now I love this little love potion little bottle, so I think I'm going to detail cut it out and put it in with this cute little cluster to bring another tone of pink down here. I can do this. You have my heart forever down here and pop it up. Oh, this piece right here is popped up, and this one and this one. Now these little birds are adorable, but they're not going to work for this layout. I like the little male and the love potion. I know love potion's there. Don't think I can work the little male in, so these pieces will wait for the next layout. And I do have another Valentine's-y layout. Now remember, I still have all of these pieces to play with in a minute. I'm just going through pieces kind of bit by bit to see what I want to use. So let me get this in order and I'll be back in a jiffy. Okie dokie, so let's just finish this up. I have everything that you see is attached. I found another little love potion sticker, so I thought I would put it with it. So we both have our love potion, totally cheesy. And then I found 3 little word stickers that I liked. So let's see. Let's do I want it sticking out? I don't know. Don't want it up there. So, well, we can put it right across. That way we don't have to have it stick out. I just didn't want it all like past this Happy Valentine's Day. So we have Wild About You, You and Me, and This is like a cherry red, and then this is kind of like a tulip pink. They are different colors. I don't know if it is translating well on screen. Then I have Happy Love Day for the last little wordy bit. So cute. Then the only other thing I need to do, I'm so excited that the only thing I had to bring into this kit was some twine. So that is awesome. Now I'm going to use some of these cute little black hearts wherever they will show, because, you know, most of this is black. So I have that. Maybe between those two little bottles. That's cute. And then let's use white where they will show to be dramatic with it. Do it there. Oh, I can do one more right here. And then finally, let's use this like slightly deeper tone gray. I love working with neutral colors, and this one, unfortunately, I only had this medium gray. So that is it for this layout and my off the board. I think it is fun and cute and full of Valentine goodness. Super, super themey, which I don't always do, but every once in a while I have myself a time when I do. All right, questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will have links down below for the rest of the off the board participants this month. All right, bye friends.